Hello guys. Today I will share tables in Microsoft Excel. Tables is a versatile tool in Microsoft Excel. You can create report and store data using the table option in Microsoft Excel. First of all, you see the data here. This is my data. It's a sales data of some kind of fast food item. Okay, so first of all, I will need to create the table here. So here is the data. We have got more than 1000 rows of data here. So if I go up and let's click inside the range and go to insert, then you can click on table. When you click on table, it will automatically, okay, let me select again. So I'll click on table, it will automatically select the range of the table and remember to check this box. This box means the first row of the table is the header of this particular table. So I'll click OK. So the table is created. Okay. So the number one advantage of using table is if you want to add column, let's say I want to add imaginary column ABC. When you add column, the column will be included inside the table. Same goes for the rows as well. If I want to select or add some kind of information here, it will be added in into the table. You see here, same goes if I add more. How many, whatever I add, that will be added into the table. So this is the advantage of table. Okay, so now let's discuss some of the feature of table. So I need to delete this particular column because I don't want that. So if you click inside the table and you will see our tab called table design. I'll click on table design. First of all, you see in the tool option, there is a option called summarize with pivot table. I show how to do pivot table in Excel here in my last video. So you can do summarization of the whole data using pivot table when you are using the table or option. So if I click on summarize with pivot table, it will say choose where you want the pivot table to replace. I want the pivot table in new workbook. If I click OK, here you see you can now pivot the data here. You can create data and report in pivot table. Okay, let's go to the table. Now I want to go to and see other option. Here you can see there is option called remove duplicate in table. So let's uh, click on remove duplicate. You, you can remove duplicate from any of the column. Okay, let's uh, let's unselect all of them and let's remove the duplicate of the date. If the date is matching, then it will be removed. Okay, you see 654 duplicate value found and removed. 349 value remains. When you use the remove duplicate option, the duplicate value will be removed. Here you see the duplicate value is removed. I don't want to remove any value, so I just click undo. Click Ctrl Z to undo the action. Now, uh, if you want to if you want to remove this table and make it the basic range, you can just go on and click to convert to range and click yes. That will remove the table and it will be a range. Another option is insert slicer. You can insert slicer as well to filter the table data. It's very dynamic. Let's do it. Insert slicer. I want to insert based on the time of sale. And click OK. Okay, that's fantastic. Here you go. I have got the filtering option here. I want to see the afternoon sales only. If I click on afternoon, I will see that afternoon data here only. You see here. I want to see the evening data, sorry, night data. You can see the night data as well. If you want to select uh, multiple option, you can click here, multi-select, and then go and click on night and evening. We can see that the overall night and evening data in the table. This is a cool option of table also. I don't run the slicer. Again, I click inside the table and go to the table design to see some of the other feature. Here you see refresh. When you refresh, the table will be refreshed also. Now, uh, another part of the table is table style option. Here, first is header row. If you click on header row, the header row will be removed. But I want that, so I'll click on header row. Total row. If you click on total row, when you click total row, there will be a total row option here. I don't want this here, so I'll not pick that. Banded row means this option. One row is color, another row is white or other color. Just so if you click on banded row, then this will be different. The color of the particular color of the each of the row is different. Number row one is different. Row two is white. Row three is color. Row four is white. That is banded row option. I want that. If you click on first row, the first row will be bold. Last column will be bold. Same first column, last column. When you click first column, the order ID will be bold. When you click last column, the time of the sales will be bold. I don't want both of them. Banded column. Yeah, the data will be like one of the column is white, another one is colored. So I don't want that as well. Filtered button. Whenever when you create a table, there will by default a filter option like this. If you don't want that, just click on the option filter button, uncheck it, and it will remove the filter. But I want the filter button. Another option of table is the table style. You can always change the table color or the style from the preset option. We have light, medium, and dark option, and also you can create new table style. Clicking there and create your own style. But I'll click and select this yellow one. I guess I'll click the green one. So here. So this is the table. You can always go on and select the style and change the table style. So these are some of the table features and advantage of using table. Basically, you can use table for reporting, storing data, as I said earlier. So hopefully this video gives you the insight to using table in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes we forget to use this cool option or flexible option in Microsoft Excel. But using table will definitely help us uh, working better. I hope you will enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up so that people can find this video as a recommendation. Thank you very much.